Do I look right?
You good.
Now let me know you're right. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trey SRT revealing a new car. Alright, so look. Small block. Got standard Scape wheels. 392 or 392 small block, of course. We got the Brembo brake pads all around. We got matte black wings, Scat Pack logo. What else we got? Let me just show you the inside. And don't mind the inside, it's a little dirty. I ain't get it clean yet. But we got cloth interior. Little dirt on the floor. Oh yeah. We're changing all the interior out. So y'all stay tuned for that. We're changing the steering wheel, the seats. What's this called? Door panel?
Yeah.
Door panels. We're gonna add a few modifications. We're gonna tint the ones a little darker, they're not too dark. Right, but right now, we're about to go get my YouTube name, put in the back window, and probably my Instagram name, put on the side window. Changing the exhaust on. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna go with, but yeah, I'm gonna do some work to the engine. Y'all just stay tuned for that. Take off. I got my steering straight. The reason why I got the steering straight is because when it's in track mode, the steering is in track, which is a lot stiffer to go around curves and turns. And then sport mode is just like, I don't drive in sport mode, so I couldn't even tell you exactly what it do. Let me turn back on my GPS real quick to see where I gotta go. Just keep straight. So yeah, that's mode over here. Sport mode, I don't know what that do. I always drive in track mode, well, no, custom mode, just because I like that. I like that. We got launch control. We got the line lock. But if you don't know what launch control is, wait a minute, I don't know where I'm at. Alright, I gotta turn this stop sign. Pushing everything but the right thing. Alright, wrong thing. Alright, so race options. So we got launch control. Launch control when you're on the line, when you're trying to launch the car. No, I ain't launched my car yet. Eventually I will. Line lock is how you do a burnout. So technically it'll lock up the front brakes. Just let the back wheels be free. That's pretty much it about this. There's probably more to it, I just gotta see. See where I'm. Alright, so right now I'm finna get my YouTube name in my back window, and maybe the Instagram names on the side windows. I don't know. I don't know what I should do just yet. I wonder if you wanted me to bag up in the driveway.
Probably did.
Talk about the side. See what he said. I don't think he even. He said he takes it back. Well, we're gonna turn y'all back on. Well, no. Yeah, we're gonna turn y'all back on whenever you start installing, or whenever you get done.
So just that red play button.
You want it to go across where the brake light is?
Which one look better? Like a little bit below it. Still show the brake light above it.
Where'd we put yours?
Oh, that's not Dre. That's
Oh,
yeah.
my
Dre
bad.
said, I think
Man.
Dre said his was like three or two spaces below his.
And at the top?
Yeah, but
'Cause he's
I think
got-
he still can see the light.
Because he's got the Scat Pack too, right?
Yeah, he got
Gray
that.
one?
Yeah, he got
I
a gray.
think.
Yep.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do the same thing.
Yeah, see, this is his. It's just a little boomerang. So yeah, his look like it's below the light, just a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. What's your YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah.
So it's remember just text it to you right quick?
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Are you guys still making the video now? It puts part of it capitalized. Is that a big deal?
What
'Cause
would look
it-
better, the capsulize or the lowercase?
Well, if it's just the font, it does caps on everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but I mean, if you like that, it's the same font as what he had. If not, I mean, we could pick a different font.
Okay. Let me see a different font then with the lowercase.
Yeah.
so I can
Yeah.
see how
Go
it
ahead.
looks.
Come on.
Right. Thinking about putting the Instagram on like the little two side back windows, but
Helps if I turn it on, right?
that's dope. So do you know how to wrap a car?
Whenever I had my old Magnum, I was wrapping parts on it, but I'm definitely not the best at it.
Then you can play one separate.
Yeah. And then, yeah, because I'll print it all off in white, and then I'll peel everything, and then I'll remove the YouTube symbol, and then I'll load it up with the red, I'll cut out the YouTube, and then I'll put it where it needs to be.
Oh, I didn't realize this paper ain't got like the little lines on it.
Nope, not yet.
That's what make it hard.
Yeah. Well, so like when you're doing it, it goes and cuts out. There we go. You can see like
I see like
just like
a little line from the
from the first cut.
right.
Yeah. So like I don't know if you can see it, but like right there, just outside the line. I don't know.
Yeah, I can't even see it.
Yeah, it gives just like the slightest little indentation, and I just line it all up. And as long as you're like right there on it, it's usually no big issue. And then everything just kind of pans out. Didn't he have it on the doors, I think?
I don't know. You can't really see the picture that what video he sent. But yeah, I'll probably do it on the two little back windows. Like at the bottom.
Yeah.
I'll do it that way.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. So, it,
I like that.
yeah. I mean, we good. I mean, my,
I can see a picture of it.
Yeah. yeah. I mean, it looks crooked because the lines are crooked, but.
Hold on 1 second. If I can get it to do it. There we go. Alright, there we go. It's working. Say hey to YouTube.
Hey.
Girl, that's dry.
Still keep that,
Yeah.
and then just make smaller ones of these.
Yep.
Correct. Okay.
I do think that'll look right with a different font.
Yeah, because it separates the two.
Yeah. So yeah, I just do the 2 on the side and put this one on the back. Yeah. This is almost like 10 windows almost.
Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. I should have cut that off, I guess.
And then this side in the sun, so.
Mm-hmm. And then, like, if you're doing this yourself, how I'm, like, pulling down at an angle like that, it really helps to,
Leg.
yeah, not to where it doesn't pull the lettering.
Right.
See how, like, that kind of lifted a little? But if you get a little lift, just... You don't want to go, like, too hard. Because it'll, you could distort it. Because if it's still wet underneath, you can move it around.
Right.
Yeah, that actually stuck better than what I thought. I thought it was gonna
Yeah, that's dope.
be a little bit on getting too cool side. But what I would do is find a line on the car and try to follow that line
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I see
with
what
your
line you're talking
letters,
about.
you know?
Right.
But, you know, since we can't see through the back end, like what I would do, there's not... Actually, yeah. You got a pretty straight line right there.
Okay.
So, like, maybe put your white letters up to here.
Now what line? Oh, okay, I see the line.
Because you're still going to be able to see.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be high enough up to mess with your brake light.
Right.
And it'll give us a nice straight line.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's fine.